Yes.
There you go.
Yes.
Okay, Queen. How you feeling? How you feeling?
I am back. I am back. It's been a minute. But
right.
Guess what? I'm back.
And so she is coming in for a full service. So it's a takedown and a wash shampoo and a reinstall. But look at this hair. Look at that. Look at that blend color. It is so awesome. You guys, look at this hair. Oh my goodness. I am absolutely loving this. She is now at the point where she has gotten her conditioner in. And I'm going to go ahead and put her under the dryer, blow her out, braid her down, and then we're going to go ahead and do her install.
Yes.
There you go.
Yes.
Okay, Queen. How you feeling? How you feeling?
I am back. I am back. It's been a minute.
That's right.
Guess what? I'm back.
That's right. That's right.
And we'll be back. And back, and back, and back.
There you go, y'all. She look good, don't she? She look good, don't she?
Yeah. This is what I like, because she knows how to do it. Ms.Pk knows how to, she knows how to do this right here. But look at this. I love it.
All right now.
Thank you, hon.
You're welcome.
Appreciate you.
You're welcome.
Queens, look how full and thick her gray hair is. I'm going to show you guys another crochet braid technique. As you see, I have already knotted this strand of hair. In order to secure it and to have it to stay down properly, I'm going to hold that down and put another thinner strand of crochet braid hair right underneath the one I'm holding down. I'm going to go ahead and loop it and then go ahead and twist and give it one more knot. This will ensure that this hair is not going anywhere, Queens. Look how it just lays down perfectly. I love it. So I'm proceeding to finish her head, but look how that color is absolutely matching her gray hair. I did not use any other color outside of the water wave gray for this installation. Queens, I am leaving out a lot of this client's edges because they are already thin, and gray hair tends to be thin anyways, so I'm leaving her edges out. And Queens, don't be afraid to ask your stylist to leave out some of your edges, that they are not braiding all of your edges into the cornrow. After finishing the installation, I will take her edges and blend it into the install. She is wearing water wave, and I have the color number 1B and gray to complete this installation. And as you see, I am just taking that hair and blending it in so that it looks natural. She is absolutely gorgeous.
And here we have another awesome color blend. Isn't this beautiful? Look at this. Silver, gray, I love it. Look at that nice blend. Y'all, I'm still getting excited about this hair. I'm sitting here going, ooh, look how pretty this hair. Look at this blend, y'all. Look at this blend. Oh my gosh, isn't that beautiful? This is the Forever River Lock. On my new client, Miss Linda. Queens, from this point on, you will see different client crochet braid gray and silver installations along with different types of curl patterns for gray and silver. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Be blessed.
You